Piyush for more details on that story. The Prime Minister hitting out at the Congress over violations, constitutional violations that were seen 50 years ago. But a cabinet resolution to that effect has also been passed, and this obviously has set the stage really for a renewed face-off between the government and the principal opposition party, Piyush.
Well, absolutely, today there was a meeting of cabinet, Modi cabinet at 11 a.m. and in that meeting, but we are now learning that 2 minutes of silence was observed, and it was observed to mark the 50 years of emergency. Remember that, not only in cabinet but also across the country, we are seeing how BJP government and leaders are marking this day as a Samvidhan Hatya Divas.
Marking this day as Samvidhan Hatya Divas. So in cabinet also this was discussed. 2 minutes of silence was observed to also pay tribute to all those people who suffered a lot of sufferings during that period of when emergency was imposed. So at one side the cabinet also.
Okay, Piyush, getting in those details at this point in time. Piyush, of course, if you can hear me, talk to us about how are you expecting really the Congress to retort, given that they've been talking about 11 years of the Modi government and that being a period of undeclared emergency, says the Congress.
Well, certainly, Sneha, we are now seeing as to how war of words have broken out between Congress and BJP. Mallikarjun Kharge is saying that the BJP government and the leaders are responsible for making out comments which is anti-constitutional. On the other side, we are seeing how BJP is observing June 25 as Samvidhan Hatya Divas, and for that, various state governments ruled by BJP are observing today as Samvidhan Hatya Divas. In fact, in cabinet also 2 minutes of silence was kept up, and this was done to pay tributes to all those people who had a lot of sufferings during the time when the emergency was imposed. Right now I'm present at the Thiagraj Stadium in Delhi, where again a huge event has been organized, and I would ask my video journalists to show you pictures from right behind the backdrop of this very place, where it is clearly mentioned आपातकाल लगाए जाने के 50 वर्ष पूरे होने पर संविधान हत्या दिवस. So this is a program in which Home Minister Amit Shah, Culture Minister Gajendra Shekhawat and also Ashwini Vaishnaw will be participating, and this is a Samvidhan Hatya Divas which is being observed here by the BJP government in Delhi. BJP Chief Minister Rekha Gupta and LG Rekha Gupta will, and LG Vinay Saxena will also participate in this entire program. So you can also see around me a lot of gatherings also taking place. People from different parts of Delhi have come here to take part in this program. Home Minister Amit Shah will also be coming here. So we can clearly see as to how BJP pan-India is now observing June 25, which means today as the Samvidhan Hatya Divas, and at various locations we are also seeing how BJP leaders are attacking Congress government, the then Congress government for imposing emergency in the nation.
Piyush, be with us. I'll come back to you in a moment from now. Let's listen in to Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw, who detailed upon the cabinet resolution against emergency.
आज माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की अध्यक्षता में यूनियन कैबिनेट ने एक रेजोल्यूशन पास किया है जो कि संविधान हत्या दिवस की 50वीं वर्षगांठ 2025 याद दिलाता है. 50 वर्ष पहले कैसे संविधान का गला घोंटा गया था इमरजेंसी लागू करके कांग्रेस की सरकार ने. मैं उस रेजोल्यूशन को आपके सामने पढ़ूंगा. The Union Cabinet, chaired by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, resolved to commemorate and honor the sacrifices of countless individuals who valiantly resisted the emergency and its attempt at subversion of the spirit of Indian Constitution. A subversion which began in 1974 with a heavy-handed attempt at crushing the Navnirman Andolan and Sampoorn Kranti Abhiyan. To mark the occasion, a 2-minute silence was observed in today's meeting of the Union Cabinet as a tribute to those whose constitutionally guaranteed democratic rights were taken away and who were then subjected to unimaginable horrors. The Union Cabinet paid tributes to their exemplary courage and valiant resistance to the emergency's excesses. The year 2025 marks 50 years of the Samvidhan Hatya Divas, an unforgettable chapter in the history of India where the constitution was subverted, the republic and democratic spirit of India was attacked, federalism was undermined, and fundamental rights, human liberty and dignity were suspended. The Union Cabinet reaffirmed that the people of India continue to repose unflinching faith in the Indian Constitution and the resilience of the country's democratic ethos. It is as important for the young as it is for the old to draw inspiration from those who resisted dictatorial tendencies and stood firm to defend our Constitution and its democratic fabric. India, as the mother of democracy, stands as an example of preserving, protecting, and safeguarding constitutional values. Let us, as a nation, renew our resolve to uphold our Constitution and its democratic and federal spirit.